Hello everyone and welcome to Let's Learn English Online. Today we are going to discuss the phrasal verbs that will start with G. So let's get started. First phrasal verb is get away. Get away means to escape. Observe this use in sentence construction. According to the news, the robbers got away in a black car. It means that the news has arrived that the robbers had escaped in a black car. I hope the meaning is clear, so let's move towards our second phrasal verb, that is get by or get on. Both of these words have the similar meaning, that is manage to cope or have enough to survive. Let's understand this use through the sentence construction. It's difficult to get by on a low salary. It means it's very difficult to manage or cope or have enough to survive on a low salary. Let's move towards third phrasal verb, that is get down to. Get down to means start to actually do something. Observe this use in sentence construction. We have done enough chatting. Now let's get down to some serious work. Means after enough chatting, the two friends are now deciding to start to actually do something through their serious work. I hope the meaning is clear. Let's discuss our fourth phrasal verb, that is get into. Get into means enter a specific place or enter a place. Let's observe its use in sentence construction. The burglar get into the house through the back door. As you can easily understand that the burglars entered the house through the back door. I hope the meaning is clear. Let's move forward. Our fifth phrasal verb is get on. Get on means to board something, whether it is a bus, a train or a plane. Observe this use in sentence construction. Here we have to get on the bus for vacation. Here get on is giving a meaning of boarding to a bus for vacation. Let's observe our sixth phrasal verb, that is get on with. Get on with means continue to do something or make progress. Observe its use in sentence construction. Here I have to get on with my homework after dinner, which means that a specific student has to continue his homework or to continue making progress in his homework after his dinner. Now let's discuss the seventh phrasal verb, that is get together. Get together means to meet each other. Let's observe its use in sentence construction here, which says let's get together for lunch next week, which means that the two friends are deciding to meet each other for lunch next week. Let's observe our eighth phrasal verb, that is get up. Get up means to rise or leave the bed. It's the most common usable phrasal verb in our daily life. Observe its use in sentence construction. Here Tom usually gets up at 7 o'clock. Here gets up means to rise or leave bed. Let's discuss our ninth phrasal verb, that is go down with. Go down means to become ill with an infectious disease. Observe its use in sentence construction. Here the match will be difficult because half of the team has gone down with the flu. It means that the match was unable to happen, or it was difficult because half of the team was ill with infectious flu. Now let's move towards our last phrasal verb, that is grow from. Grow from means to result or develop from something. Observe its use in sentence construction. Here a new football team has grown from the previous old teams. Hence the meaning is quite clear here that a new football team has resulted or has been developed from the previous old teams. I hope the meaning is clear now. So this is it for today. See you in the next video. Just stay tuned with Let's Learn English Online for more informative videos.